What's up everybody? Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out this Axle Back exhaust kit from industry leader SVE, designed for the S550 V6 and EcoBoost Mustangs. Upgrading the exhaust on a Mustang is usually one of the first modifications us enthusiasts do when we first get our car. Well, for you V6 and EcoBoost owners, SVE offers a pretty good axle back that won't break the bank. SVE's Axle Back is all about simplicity. The entire axle back assembly is constructed from quality T304 stainless steel, which will hold up quite well to the elements. The assembly starts off with Mandrel bent 2¼ inch piping, which then enters a round straight-through style muffler. From my experience, straight-through style mufflers are typically quiet at idle, but really open up as you roll into the throttle. Also note that this muffler design can cause some interior drone. If that is something you are concerned about, be sure and keep that in mind. Exiting the muffler is a very nice 4-inch dual wall polished tip that perfectly fills out the opening in the bumper or valence. To ensure that this axle back fits nice and even underneath the car, pre-bent hangers are pre-installed onto each muffler. Now this kit is a cut and clamp design, and SVE does provide the clamps to secure the axle back to your existing catback. It is going to fit 2015 to 2017 V6s and 2015 to 2019 EcoBoost Mustangs, with the installation steps being the exact same for both engine options. If you're going to be installing this kit by yourself, be sure and have on hand a decent set of tools, something to properly cut the piping, and I would recommend the assistance from one of your friends. First, support the car via a lift or get it as high and as safe as you can if you're going to be working off of jack stands. The easiest way to determine where you need to cut the piping is to take a straight edge and position it up against the outboard portion of the sway bar bushing. Ensure that the straight edge is straight and then place your mark on the piping. Option 2 is to cut the pipe just before it starts to make its 90-degree bend toward the muffler. Now that you have your mark, protect the valence and our bumper from the exhaust tip. Support the muffler and cut the piping at your mark. With the muffler still supported, remove the two 13mm retaining bolts from the rearward hanger. Unhook it from the body and remove the muffler from the car. Deburr the cut on the intermediate piping. Transfer the hanger to the new muffler, and then position the tip into the rear opening. Slide on a clamp. Install the axle back over the existing intermediate pipe. Ensure that the axle back portion is fully installed onto the intermediate pipe and that the muffler is orientated front to back and not at an angle. Hook the hanger into the body and then reinstall the two 13mm bolts. Verify that the tip is centered within the rear opening. Position the clamp into place and then fully tighten. Now if you have access to a torque wrench, the nut on the clamp does torque to approximately 80 pound-feet. Repeat these steps for the other side. At that point, you can go ahead and start the car and check for exhaust leaks. After that, you're good to go. All right, fellas, now that I have the axle back installed onto both cars, we are going to give you a few before and after sound clips of both engine options. Now, other than the SVE Axle Back kit, both the EcoBoost and V6 cars we'll be showing you in today's video does still have the resonator and catalytic converters. Well, as a V8 guy, I can honestly say this SVE Axle Back does sound pretty darn good on the V6 and EcoBoost Mustangs with the catalytic converters and resonator. Now, like I stated previously, you may experience a little bit of drone because of the muffler design. While driving the car with the windows up and the radio on low volume, I didn't really notice additional drone. So for wrapping things up here, guys, if you're in the market for a good, inexpensive Axle Back exhaust kit for your V6 or EcoBoost Mustang, then this SVE Axle Back kit is a must-have. Now, for the most current pricing and product information on this particular SVE Axle Back, be sure and visit the product page. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and of course, for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.